Hey everybody, it's Trisha here from Freedom Hill. Thought I'd hop on here real quick and show you what I've been up to. Yes, it's a sink full of dirty dishes. There's more. Yes, it gets worse. I finally cleaned out the fridge from all the Christmas and New Year's and all the food and stuff and leftovers we've been keeping. So I just wanted to show you, this is what I've been up to tonight. You want to see what the fridge looks like? Ta-da! It looks a lot better. It was packed. Certain things stay in certain spots. This is leftover icing from some cookies and a cake, and that'll keep. And I've got salad dressings and other condiments up there. I always keep the eggs right here. A few more condiments. I've got some cucumbers I put in my water, some leftover chopped up red onion. I got some leftover chili, some bacon, some marinara sauce, and some egg salad. I always keep my yogurt in this little bin, and I keep drinks up here. We don't buy a lot of Mountain Dew, but one of the boys bought some. But I keep my LaCroix, my husband keeps his Coca-Cola. In the drawers, obviously I have fruits and vegetables. I didn't have to clean too many of them out. They were pretty good. And then this drawer, it's a little tight and crowded, but everything in here is fresh and good, so I didn't really clean that out. Our cheeses and sour cream, I keep tortillas in there and sub kits. In the drawer I have some cider, some milk, some English muffins, and juice and chocolate milk. And over here I have sliced cheese, spreads, butter, and some juice, and my morning creamer. So I'm really happy I got all this done, and I'm also happy that I don't have to clean up this mess, because that job belongs to my youngest son, and when he gets off work tonight, he will do that, and he will start the dishwasher and have it all done, and in the morning it will be done. And yes, I could do it for him because I hate seeing the mess, but quite frankly it is past 9:30 in the evening and I'm going to go sit down and relax in a bit, so I'm not going to do this. He can do it. Thanks so much for stopping by.